Today I want to show you this big puzzle, and you can see it's a LED fluorescent board, and you can see how it looks like here. And these are the features. I'm not too sure what does that mean. Aluminium frame are using the German electroplating technology. Oh, no, I have no idea. Anyway, let's open it. Okay, this is what is included here. This is a battery case, 8 AA batteries. This inside here. There's a remote control for color changing of the LED light. And here is a USB dongle, and there's a chain for hanging the board. And this is the stand for the board. And these are two pens for the drawing board. And this is a power adapter. 100 to 240 volt. Okay, and also there's a cloth for cleaning the board. And here's more instruction, all in Chinese. Anything else? Nothing. So that's all included. I also ordered extra set of pens. Those two pens are included in this board, and I thought I need more color, so I ordered extra set. I think it's glass. Yes, it's glass. I didn't expect a piece of glass. I thought this would be plastic. If I knew it's glass, maybe I didn't order, because I'm afraid it will break on the way to here. So it looks pretty nice. So these two knobs on the top here, it's used to attach the chains here, and so you can hang it somewhere like this. The other option is to use this stand here. Put it in here, so it click in, and on the other side, then I can put it stand like so. And I have to draw something and try the light. Now I've written something on the board with the pens which came with the board. I want to show you, this is the extra set of pens I bought. I bought a little bigger pen here, and as you can see that this is I haven't used it, and it's basically white, and this one is green. It's a little bit tricky. The first time you use it, you have to shake it, and you have to hold the pen straight, press for a few seconds to get the ink going down. So now you can see still white, and I press it. Now you can see the tip has become red. I can start drawing. You can see the tip is now red, and so I can start drawing. So otherwise, the first time the tip is white, you won't be able to draw it at all. Okay, this is the USB dongle, and I think I have to connect the power adapter to this, and the other side I have to connect it to the board here. Now the room is dark, and as you can see, the text is really bright, and this button is just toggle the different mode. You can see the light changing color. Oh, I really love it. And this one is changing color smoothly. Oh, very nice. Okay, now I'm going to test the remote control. And as you always, the original one, there's a piece of plastic put in there. Batteries is already in there. So put it in and let's go. It's saying I have to aim to this dongle to use the remote control. Now I'm going to turn it off. See, it's off and on. Now I can change it to blue. So I can change the mode. So it's flashing quickly, and these are all different flashing mode. And I can change the color as well. Change color. Blue, yellow. It's pretty nice. I can reduce the intensity and turn it off. The last thing I want to test is I want to find out how hard it is to clean the pen. Let's see, I just use it without, oh, it's very easy. Without any water, just use it dry, clean, and then it's gone. I really like the board. Initially, I was looking for the neon light and with different shapes, so I was looking for very strange shape, and I like some of them. But at the end, I thought I want to have something I can do my personal design. So I look at different things. So I ended up with the advertising board, and I really love it. I hope you like the video. And remember, thank you for watching. Bye.